In this video, I'll show you how to fix a TV black screen problem step by step. There are two main causes and I'll show you how to identify each one. First cause is backlight failure. Turn on your TV if you hear sound but see no picture. Grab your torch or phone flashlight and shine it directly on the screen. If you can see the image only where the light hits, your TV backlights are not working. In this case, the backlight strips need to be replaced. Second cause is panel failure. Turn on the TV again. If you still see no image with the flashlight, gently tap the screen with your finger. Do not use force or you can crack the panel. If you see the light flickering or flashing under your finger, the backlights are working but the panel is defective. I've shared my video links in the description showing how to fix TV backlights and panels. And these methods will work on all TVs, irrespective of the brand and screen sizes. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more TV repair tips. Thanks for watching.